Ko Koro Edmonds taku ingoa, ko Ngātirangi te apu, ko Ngāpuhi te iwi. My role was project team leader. In my mahi, organising the team when I can. We do workshops, we do presentations, monitoring and surveillance, and pig monitoring. Yeah, so we're out there in the community, more or less, engaging with hapu and community. What we're advocating is Kauri protection. What is killing our Kauri? And we know Paetotora Agarozisa is killing our Kauri, also known as PA, Kauri diabetic. So, the end there's no cure. And that's what we want to do, is trying to find a cure and try and get our word out there to protect our Kauri. Well, we find out that with no Kauri, there's no ngāhere, as we fix everything. Getting people to stay on track, using our wash stations when entering the ngāhere. The more people we can get to use those facilities and staying on track, the better, I think. My vision is bring back the manu. I hear stories of the kaumata saying they could go into the ngāhere and they could hear, the manu flying around singing. But at the moment, I can't really hear that.